All right, guys, we are Funtown RV, Waco, Texas, and you are going to love what we're looking at today. Stick around, I'm on the hitch. .403 FKLE, Forrest River Cardinal Limited. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at this unit. I love this. Rhino box up front. This big storage door here. We've got battery boxes there, vented. All your hydraulics for your hydraulic slides, and a huge area for generator. Very nice. Close that back up. Of course, it's got the level up system. That's to be expected too. Let's see what we got here. Here's your propane. That's one 30-pound on this side, and there's a second 30-pound on the other side. So it's two 30-pound tanks. All right, so gross combined vehicle weight rating 15,500 pounds. Cargo capacity of 2,518 pounds. Really big pass-through storage with motion lights and switch lights. Your 50 amp cord there. Really nice. Got some tie downs automatically put in there. So you got your low point drains are right here. Here's the on-off valves for those to operate the low point drains. That's really nice. Your water control system here, spray hose, and then here is the pull valve for the front gray tank. So super nice. Rack and pinion slides. So that is the front galley tank sewer, or excuse me, gray water connection. Now this is a premium unit, so you're getting the road armor suspension upgrade, as well as this comes with 16-inch Saloon tires already put on it. So nothing to worry about with these. You don't have to change anything about this right here. All right, so you've got two gray drains and your sewer connection right here, and it's pretty convenient because right there you can reach in and grab the controls for that. If the slides are in, you have an access panel right here that you can unscrew that and reach in and drain it. If you're like pulling up to a dump station or something like that, you don't have to open up the slides. So very nice carpeted storage for maybe some more sensitive things that you want to put in there. Water heater. That is another back gray tank dump right there. Same exterior access to the pull handle. Got your 50 amp power connection. Of course, all LED lighting, ladder, carrier hitch receiver. Just beautiful. It's like a dryer vent, so that should give that away. All the slides on this coach are rack and pinion slides. All right, coming around, spray port, small outside kitchens, really nice. And it has a little grill that comes along with it. There's the quick connect for the propane. Some speakers back there too as well. Very nice. And it's automatically held up with struts. All right, solid steps here on the back, as well as solid steps on the front. Power plug. Now I have to be corrected because this slide up here in the front is a Swintex slide. This is the other side of that storage. Battery cutoff. And that other propane tank. All right, so we're going to head inside. I'm telling you, this thing, that's where this thing's going to shine. You're going to absolutely love it. All right, so this is, again, the Cardinal 403 FKLE. All right, let's head inside, where I think we'll find Mel up here in this front kitchen fifth wheel.
Hi guys. So it has a front kitchen, and it has this countertop space here where you can sit and you can actually watch the TV.
Yeah, that's
from right
cool.
Here. This is really nice little
really
bar
like
area. There is no dinette in this unit.
So, you know, for a couple, this is the thing right here.
Right, this is very ideal. Very spacious kitchen. You've got a large pantry area.
There's a lot of space in there.
You have this ginormous countertop area.
And that is a deep countertop.
Right, you could put everything on here. Your toaster, your blender, your
That's
Instapot.
probably 40 inches, 3.5 feet or so.
Keurig.
Yeah, I mean.
Has two power ports that has USBs in them also. And then you have this really large pass-through area that you could store all your little coffee and stuff.
Drawers underneath.
More storage space. Soft closed drawers.
Very nice.
Cabinets on either side. A farm-style sink. With more large storage area underneath.
Yeah, it's great.
It has a 3-burner cooktop.
I love the front window.
I do love the front window with it, and it has a lot of window space in it that you could keep your plants
put
and
plants
things.
up there. They can get sunlight. Mm-hmm. Really nice.
Small oven, but it does have a micro convection microwave.
Residential size.
I do love these two spice racks that pull out.
Those are nice. Yeah.
And I love this nifty little idea of the strap with the hooks that hold your refrigerator and freezers shut. It's a nice size fridge.
It is.
And like you said, perfect for a couple.
Oh man, I'm telling you. Yeah, I love this. The
2-drawer freezer.
yeah. Cool.
That's nice. And it has a spot for your trash can also that pulls out.
That's great.
Yeah, I like that.
It's got the tough back Syntec floor, slip resistant, stain resistant, cold crack resistant, resistant to mold and mildew. You know, if you look right, you can see from this vantage point where the bar is, and the TV's right there. That's just, I mean, that's great for two people to sit and have dinner or whatever.
Right, if you're entertaining and you're in the kitchen, you have plenty of room for your guest and yourself to be in the kitchen, and you're still part of what's happening in the living room.
So all the windows have darkening blinds. Very nice.
Fabric privacy shades.
Yep.
You have a power theater love seat.
Yeah.
That also has a couple of USBs next to it. You have 2 jackknife sofas.
Okay. For opposing slides.
Opposing slides. There is carpet in the slides.
Yeah.
And the vents are in the floor.
Yeah, you're right.
It has a fireplace, and there's some USB ports in here also with your hookups for your
Very large TV.
So you can store movies or some plants or something there also.
Really,
That's really
super
cute.
nice. Ceiling fan, and what are 3 air conditioners, or is it
2?
2
There's two in here. So then you have a decent sized bathroom. I do like the stainless sink, or I don't know that that's stainless.
Let's see.
It's a metal sink.
It is metal. I'm not sure. Shower test. Yep.
Plenty of room for Thomas.
So shower's big enough.
It has 3 large door cabinets there behind the shower.
Oh, it does.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, ow.
Watch out.
Don't ever do that. Watch out for the door. Oh, yeah. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Here's all the touch controls for everything in the RV. Lights, slides, awning, entry lights. Wow, that's pretty sweet. Wired for solar.
All right, and so then you have the bedroom. It has a king-size bed. In here, it has some outlets there beside the bed. It has storage space above. It has a hanging wardrobe here.
Oh yeah, a lot of space there.
And then a shelf there. You have a 2-drawer dresser here with some USBs and a couple more plugs.
Escape window.
An escape window.
Yeah, I like that.
You have your washer dryer unit.
Stackable.
This is
Indeed.
included with this unit.
That's awesome.
And then a place for your detergent.
Yeah, that's lots of detergent in there. Very good.
I would need a step stool to access
that's
most things.
Huge.
This is a ginormous dresser or countertop area.
That's the outside kitchen is underneath that, but it's huge. For folding clothes.
It's wired for the TV and it has USB there also, and you have another very large pass-through area.
All the way open in there, yeah. Yeah, huge area for working.
And again, there's carpet in the slides.
Second door there. Yeah, this is a really
all of the countertops have this live edge cut to them.
Yeah, live edge cut, and that seems to be a thing that's kind of going around with a lot of the.
Well, it's a very trendy thing at the moment.
Manufacturers, one day that's not going to be a trendy thing. I don't really care for that. That probably wouldn't stop me from buying the coach.
Well, with this type of countertop, it's not as noticeable, so I think it would transfer through the.
But absolutely love it. Again, we are at Funtown RV. It's a 2021 Cardinal Limited 403 FKLE. MSRP $89,645. They've got it for $69.88, and that is a really good price in my book. Yes, sir. Very nice. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. We love this unit. It is a premium unit for not such a premium price. Until next time, guys, take care of each other, love each other,
and make every moment count.
See ya.